and said that he didn't need anything.
Let's go, Migo!
Me too. You the same way.
Aray ko!
Ako malakas ako eh.
Ito pa.
Aray!
Thank you for the permanent scar. 'Cause if it wasn't for you, I might forget how it feels to let go, how it feels to get a brand new start.
Hoy!
So thank you for the broken
Brian, you find it already?
heart. And every time I find myself alone in pieces, I find myself. I'll just remember when you hurt me and I made
Kami,
it.
alam mo na sa susi. Are?
So thank you for the broken heart.
No!
Hindi, walang pakalam. Kahit ang tabihin mo dyan.
Permanent scar. 'Cause if it wasn't for you, I wouldn't be here with the love of my life. All my pain disappeared. I've come so far.
Parang pogi man.
So thank you for the broken heart.
I miss J-Boy.
I thank you. I thank you for
Wow, game mo, kakarumi. Kakarumi? Hindi naman kaya ka lang isave pa. Hindi naman kaya ka lang isave pa. I-edit mo na lang yung doon sa photo cover.
Hindi.
Magkaka-memory lang.